Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about the printer is offline. At some point you are going to press the print button. You are going to press the print button and get a message that the printer is not available. Get a message that the printer is not available or connected, assuming that the printer was set up and working before. Set up and working before. There are several things you can try. Several things you can try. Check that the printer is on and indicates that the printer is on and indicate that it's ready. With no errors displayed. With no errors displayed. Make sure the connection USB, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is working. Restart both the printer and the device you are trying. Restart both the printer and device you are trying to print from. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.